Okay, guys, so, there's someone messaged me on Facebook, no, not on Facebook, on YouTube, and was like, you need to make a video to see how many times you can sneeze in like 5 minutes. So, I made a video before this, and I tried doing it in a bowl of pepper, and me sniffing pepper did not work. It just made my nose runny, so, toothpick. This is the only way that I can make myself sneeze, and I have to stick it up my nose and, like, make myself sneeze, so, don't hate on me, okay? I'm gonna take this out so I don't, like, spit it at you. I'm scared, too. I feel like everyone's gonna be like, ew, that's gross.
Do you need me to hold your hand?
I'm good. I got this. I don't know, it's just weird doing it on camera. Okay. It tickles. I can't breathe. One. Oh, this is weird. Why would somebody ask this?
I don't know. Maybe they're trying to get you into trouble.
I don't even know. Two.
My nose hurts right now.
Why?
I think I stuck it up too far.
I'm gonna have like snot coming out of my nose. Will your family vibrate all the time?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, that one felt good. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that one's not working. How many minutes is it?
2.
I feel like an idiot. I won't sneeze.
You only sneezed twice.
I don't know. I can't do it. Ow. Like stabbed the side of my nose. It's probably gonna bleed in a minute.
I'm gonna laugh, I'm sorry.
It'd be gross if I like sneeze and all this blood just goes splatters.
You get my shorts.
Oh my gosh. Guys, this is impossible.
You have 2 minutes left.
Okay, good. I'm only gonna get like 2 sneezes in like 5 minutes. Oh my gosh. I should like try to go upside down with the pepper.
Do you think that'll work?
I'm gonna try. Okay, guys, we're gonna try another thing. Where's your trash can? I'm not like laying this down. Okay, I got it. Ah! I failed. And my gum's going in there. Way to take my last piece of gum.
Sorry, you offered it though.
Okay, guys. We're gonna attempt this and see how it works.
Wait, am I supposed to pour it into your nose?
No, I got it.
Oh, okay.
Because I feel like you'd be like, look awkward or something. Do I just like sprinkle it in my nose or something?
I think so.
Okay.
I really don't know.
Watch me like this and get it in my eye and like have to go to the hospital. Oh.
I'd feel bad.
I know, right? I'm scared. What? It's not doing anything, guys.
I don't think you can sneeze.
I can't. I'm sorry. How many? I got it in.
There's like 30 seconds left. So.
Okay, guys, I give up. So we're just gonna sit here for 30 seconds. Ew, it feels weird. I don't like it in my nose.
Tell a corny joke.
Knock knock. Who's there? I'm not. Bye.